If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Swiggy, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone or visit the Swiggy website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. Look for the Settings or Account section to find the two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the account settings, find the option for two-factor authentication or security settings. Click on it to access your current authentication method. Step 4. Choose Reset option. Look for the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. This may require you to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Set up new authentication. Once you have reset the two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to set it up again. You can choose a new method, such as SMS or an authenticator app, to ensure your account remains secure. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be successfully reset, and you can continue using your Swiggy account with enhanced security.